everyone, my name is Cameron and I am the Red Rider. So I tried to fight this once, I got my butt kicked, so I'm going to change my strategy just a hair. I think immunity is the best way to go, but I also need something that can back me up at the very end. So I switched out for a Velociraptor, the fastest dinosaur in the game. So I'm going to stick with the new Parrot, the Indominus, Velociraptor, and I'm going with my other immune. Actually, no, I think I need something with a little more weight to it. I'm going to use Trago this time. Alright. Parrot comes out first. First move it's probably going to use is the critical impact. So I'm going to lower his attack down to practically nothing. But either way, I didn't get hit too hard. See if I can take out some. Bad thing is, this guy's smart. God, I am blown away by that. It dodged so well this time. Oh, I can't wait to see the rewards of that. Wow, that was wow. Not bad. Definitely need that. I gotta get that thing built up. I can do with that, but sure, I'll take it. Really don't need that. Sweet! I got the new one. Oh, well, what turned into just a battle? I think I'm gonna lock in and show that to y'all. See what it's like. Let me scroll down through all this mess to the brand new dinosaur, the Pachycephalosaurus. Ate this baby. So it's got a health of 29.3, very low damage, but it's only a level 11. So it's got the shielding strike, a decelerating impact, rampage and run, and swap in the stun. Overall, not a bad moveset. Not a bad moveset at all. Plus it just looks fantastic. Look at this thing. Alright. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will be putting more videos out like this. And again, thank you, everyone. Good luck. Use immune creatures. I can't stress that enough.